Instructional video on how to solve and arrange the number of games of the 17 teams using a single elimination system of the tournament, including the summary of schedule of games.
So this is the formula for getting the single elimination game. N is equals to number of entries minus 1. So we have 17 number of entries minus 1. So 17 minus 1 is equals to 16. So we have 16 games. For the formula apply, 2 to the power of n minus number of entries. So 32 minus 17, because 17 is our number of entries. So 32 minus 17 is equals 15. So we have 15 back. So where do we get this 32? Subtracting the number of entries from power of 2 higher than the number of entries. So since we cannot subtract 17 to 16, we will subtract to the nearest number, which is the 32. So we just have to remember the power of 2 for the non-negative values of n are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and so on. So this is the right pattern for byte. For the first byte, you should be placed on the upper half. For the second byte, should be placed in the bottom half. For the third byte, should be placed in the bottom of upper half. For the fourth byte, should be placed on the top of the lower half.
For the fifth byte, you just repeat the process until you get all the exact bytes to the boxes.
So in order for us to know the upper and lower half, we should divide the box into 2. So we have 16 boxes. So this is the first group, which is the upper half, and this is the second group, the 8 boxes, which is the lower half. Since we know how to put the byte and we already know the pattern, we will put and arrange the byte.
So let's put the first byte to the top of the upper half, and the second byte to the bottom of the lower half, and the third byte to the bottom of the upper half, and for the fourth byte to the top of the lower half, and just repeat the process until we get all the 15 bytes to the boxes. Next, we'll put the 17 entries. It's from A to Q. Since L and N are not waiting, they will be the first game, and other entries that are waiting, they'll proceed to the next round. For the second game, A versus B, third game, C versus D, fourth game, E versus F, fifth game, G versus H, sixth game, I versus J, seventh game, K versus winner 1, eighth game, N versus O, for the ninth game, P versus Q. Game 10, winner 2 versus winner 3. Game 11, winner 4 versus winner 5. Game 12, winner 6 versus winner 7. Game 13, winner 8 versus winner 9. For the game 14, winner 10 versus winner 11. Game 15, winner 12, and winner 13. And for the last game, winner 14 versus winner 15. Game 17, loser 14 versus loser 15.
And now let's summarize the schedule of games since we already done with the diagram. For the first game, we have L versus M. For the game 2, we have A versus B. For the game 3, we have C versus D. For the game 4, we have E versus F. For the game 5, G versus H. For the game 6, I versus J. For the game 7, K versus winner 1. For the game 8, N versus O. Game 9, P versus Q. Game 10, winner 2 versus winner 3. For the game 11, winner 4 versus winner 5. For the game 12, winner 6 versus winner 7. Game 13, winner 8 versus winner 9. Game 14, winner 10 versus winner 11. Game 15, winner 12 versus winner 13. Game 16, winner 14 versus winner 15. And for the last game, loser 14 versus loser 15.